Before we begin, remember that these tools are designed for education and authorized security testing only. Always use them on systems and networks you own or have permission to access. Let's get started. At number 10 is *Hacker's Keyboard. It may not look exciting at first, but it's one of the most useful apps for anyone working with Linux terminals or remote servers. It adds desktop-style keys like Control, ESC, Tab, function keys, and arrow keys, making it much easier to use command-line tools on Android. Coming in at number 9 is *Wi-Fi Man. If you've ever wondered why your Wi-Fi feels slow or unstable, Wi-Fi Man can help. It scans nearby wireless networks, shows signal strength, identifies channel congestion, performs speed tests, and provides detailed information about your network. It's a favorite among IT professionals for troubleshooting wireless connections. At number 8 is *Fing. Fing is one of the most trusted network discovery tools available for Android. Within seconds, it scans your local network and identifies connected devices, including laptops, smartphones, smart TVs, security cameras, printers, and other IoT devices. It also displays IP addresses, MAC addresses, and device manufacturers, making it ideal for managing your own network. Number 7 is *Packet Capture. This app allows you to inspect your device's own network traffic without root by creating a local VPN interface. Developers and security learners use it to understand how apps communicate over the network and to troubleshoot connectivity issues during development. Halfway through the list at number 6 is *Port Droid. Think of it as a complete networking toolbox. It includes network discovery, DNS lookup, WHOIS lookup, ping, traceroute, wake on LAN, and service detection for systems you are authorized to test. It's an excellent companion for network administrators and students learning about computer networks. At number 5 is *PCA Pdroid. This modern packet capture application records your Android device's network traffic and can export it as PCAP files for analysis in desktop tools like Wireshark. It's especially useful for developers, researchers, and students who want to understand how applications communicate over the internet. Number 4 is *Network Analyzer. Instead of switching between multiple utilities, Network Analyzer combines several essential networking tools into one application. You get ping, traceroute, DNS lookup, WHOIS, Wi-Fi analysis, LAN scanning, and connection diagnostics, making it one of the most versatile networking apps available. Taking the number 3 spot is *HTTP Toolkit. Developers often need to inspect API requests and responses while building or testing applications. HTTP Toolkit helps analyze HTTP and HTTPS traffic generated by your own apps, making it valuable for debugging, API development, and learning how modern web applications communicate. At number 2 is *Termux. This app transforms your Android phone into a Linux-like command-line environment. You can install Python, Git, SSH, and many other development tools, write scripts, automate tasks, and practice Linux commands directly from your phone. For many cybersecurity enthusiasts, Termux is the foundation of a portable learning lab. And taking the number 1 spot is *Nmap running through Termux. Nmap is one of the most respected network auditing tools in cybersecurity. When installed inside Termux, it can perform authorized host discovery, identify network services, and help administrators inventory their own systems. Its speed, reliability, and flexibility have made it a standard tool for network professionals around the world. One important thing to remember is that installing these apps does not make someone a hacker. Real cybersecurity is about understanding networks, operating systems, programming, and responsible security practices. These tools are most valuable when used to learn, troubleshoot, and strengthen security, not to attack systems without permission. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ethical hacking, cybersecurity, Android security, and OSINT content. Also, let me know in the comments which Android security app you use the most, or which one you think deserves a spot in the next video.